Welcome, boys and girls. Your old pal Eugene here. Hughes Motorized. Okay, something that gets me going, and all the time I see pictures online of people showing their cylinder head and the top of their piston, and it's got all this black stuff on it. What's the problem? It's supposed to look like this. No, it's not. It's supposed to look like this. If you are running a sensible gas-oil mixture of, say, 40:1, you're going to get it looking like this. So let's go in the Wayback Machine. This was in November of 2021. About that time is the last time I rebuilt the top end on this old rat bike of mine here. And I've been running it 40:1. Bikes ran great. And let's fast forward to today and let's take a look at the cylinder head. Normal to be expected. You are burning gasoline, you are burning oil, and you're going to get carbon buildup, okay? If you go doing 16:1 during break-in, you're going to get a lot of carbon, and that carbon is not good for the inside of the engine. It's abrasive, okay? It's going to score your cylinder on the inside. Now this one here, like I said, this is from this engine. This here's been running at least 4 years. At 40:1, okay, we're looking good. They're not going to stay that way forever, all right? You don't need to sweat that, okay? Be more worried about waking up in the morning and say Greenland or Canada is invading, okay? That is not going to be a problem, all right? If you like my video, give me a thumbs up. Click that subscribe. We got more videos to come. Forget about the dream of keeping it that way forever. Take care.